Hey, what's up? Name's Joey Turner on my brother's YouTube account. Never really put a video on YouTube, so I don't know, it just seems like something that I should like do. So I figured that I would put a beatboxing video on. So here we go. Gonna start with the theme from Jeopardy, like the game show, in the background. And I don't know what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna throw some different stuff in there and probably show you how to do it afterwards, like all the stuff that I did. And I don't know, like you might already know how to do it, so I'll feel stupid, but don't leave any gay comments. Just putting the video on. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so I started out with just the Jeopardy thing. It goes you know, when time's ran out, and then I just go and for my scratches, like some people do the crab scratch, but I'm not really great at that. Mine's not that loud, so I don't really do that one very often. I just go like you hit your the bottom of your top teeth on your lower lip. Some people say it's like the noob way to do it, but it's really loud, so I think it's a good way to do it. So yeah, you just go and push air like with your tongue, like that, in between your teeth and your lip, like that. And for the sound, haven't really heard many people do that. Maybe it's like really common, but I don't know. I haven't really heard a lot of people do it. So I'll show you how to do it. You just take your tongue and you go, like in your top lip, go. Like if you had go on your top lip and you're trying to get it off of your tongue, you go. And you do an inward, like you breathe in and do a bass noise. Like if you were doing that. Alright. So yeah, you just you go, and then you go, and then a bass, like. Sounds kind of old school, so I like it. I think it's cool. And the thing with the hand was, it's just a bird call. A lot of people can do it, but I came up with this like just randomly. I didn't steal this from anybody, I don't think. I know the guy does the flute, but I came up with this because I don't know, it just came to me, dream. You just go. If you know how to do it. If you don't, then I'm sure there's another video on YouTube that'll show you how to do it. But you just like make a little box like you're trying to hold water in your hands, and then you blow in between your thumbs after you make it like that. You go, and then you can just beatbox like, and it'll happen. It'll go every time you make a bass noise, or you can make it happen like. You know, like, just play around with that. I'm sure somebody will get a lot better at it than me. And, the throat thing, I was just goofing around, I guess. You just, like, open your throat a lot, and you just thump your Adam's apple. So yeah, that's really easy. Eventually your neck will turn red, so it'll be easy. Or you can go like, it's basically that, just on your Adam's apple, you know? So, I think I covered it all. So, yeah, just leave me comments down there. I think it's down there. First video. Watch videos a lot on YouTube, so it should be right in this general area. And, my name and stuff will be right over here. Or right over here. I don't know if it flips it around when you put it on. Some people are all wrong about that. But yeah, so just comment. If you want me to make another video, then I will, like most stuff. If there's anything else that you need to know about that you didn't get or something, just leave a comment and I will definitely put another video on. Just for whoever needs to know. So yeah. Thanks for watching. Peace.